Let's take a look at how to play the ringtone on Android phone. So we have two buttons here. One is play and stop the ringtone. Use the ringtone manager. This one is use the media player to play the ringtone. So right now, if you click the two buttons, there's no ring will play because we don't have anything inside of the function yet. So now we let's do the first ringtone function. So we need to get the ringtone instance first. So before that, we need to prepare the UI for our default ringtone. So we get the ringtone UI from the ringtone manager. Get the default UI from the ringtone manager dot type ringtone. Yeah, we have the URI, so we are going to create the ringtone instance. So we need the ringtone manager to get the ringtone from the URI. So we need to pass the context. So maybe use the URI. Then we call play. It should play the ringtone. Okay, let's run it. Yeah, it's playing, but the problem is it will keep playing. We want to stop it when it's playing. So while we click this button, so we need to stop it. So we need to save the instance of the ringtone. So we move this one as a field member. So if that's this field equal now, so we are going to create the instance of the ringtone. And meantime, we need to check it's playing. Then we click the button to stop it. Otherwise, we play it. Yeah, it's done. Then let's run it. We should be able to stop and play the ringtone. Okay, it works well. We're going to do the same for the media player button. So we are going to create a media player field. And if the field is now equal now, so we are going to create one. So we are going to use the static create method. We use the first one. We definitely steal the context of the activity. Then next we are going to get the settings dot. So we need the ring, right? The ring settings ring from the system dot default ring UI. Oh, yes, we still use the UI. Then if it's playing, then we also need to stop it. Else we need start it. Okay, let's try it. Okay, yeah, good, it's working. Yeah, it's stopped. Okay, it's done, job is done. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.